National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Bollinger County, Missouri, Perry County, Missouri, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Chester to near Wilmec, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Perryville. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 124 and 137. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Bollinger, and Perry.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7, online radio,